What's up? Hello and welcome to another Bitcoin video. PC Monk here. After this disclaimer, that says the content of this channel is for educational purpose only, no financial advice, guys. So let's jump into Bitcoin really and see what is this coin doing today. Give me a second. All right, guys. Now let's talk about this. First of all, this I think Black Friday we're gonna get a pump on Bitcoin to 38K minimum. Minimum. It could go higher. It could come to around this area, 38,900. The top of 38,000. Hopefully we don't go to like the to 39,000. I don't think we're gonna do that. We could, but I mean I would say for a wicket, this is nice. It's a little bit above here, and yeah, that would make sense. With that being said, guys, if you pay attention, we did have a trend line from this area all the way. That with here we broke it first, and right now it's essentially pushing it up. This 4 hours, I think, is gonna be a wiki 4 hour all the way till maybe here or maybe anywhere around 38,000. All right, I do have a long on it. I longed at 37,300, and my initial take profit is at 38,038. Okay, the next one will be the very top. We'll see what happens here. But if I want to talk about the chart itself, after I would say we first we're gonna hit there. I mean, I've been yelling about 38,000 for I think a week now, so we'll see if it gives it to us today or not. Okay, it could be tomorrow too, but I think it's gonna be today. Okay, nonetheless, guys, so right here what happened is after we hit here we could come back down, and when we start to come back down, obviously we do have to fill these two. I think we might hit at 38,000 before New York market today, and then come back down around here, hold it, and then New York Times gonna collapse it. But we're gonna see that 38K maybe today, or maybe we hold it then here for the rest of the day, and then we collapse tomorrow. I mean, Thursday is usually known for its pump, and Friday is known for its dump. So it's probably it could be the like that. And if it is like that, we're ready for it. To the downside, guys, if I want to talk about the downside, let's say I'm completely wrong and it's gonna come down from here. There's a couple of places that I have in mind. The first place is essentially this area. Okay, so it might, and after that, I really don't think it's going to hold in anywhere until probably this buy side liquidity, which is around 34,000. So I expect the dump to, all the way to 37, 38K to 34,000. You guys remember I was yelling about 33,890. I still do around there. It could come around here, like I said, and hold at the low it is, which is going to be essentially around the 30. It's going to be 34,000, I think. 38,000 is going to be around here. It's going to be maybe this one, okay, this yellow line that you're watching right now. It could be this yellow line. This yellow line is the value area low at this whole move, okay? It's the value area low, which is 33,700. We could see this right here is a point of control, okay? So a point of control coincides with our buy side liquidity volume imbalance, as you guys could see. Now this is 34,600. We could stop here again, okay? Although this was that double bottom that we expected to happen, okay? And well, did give it to us, right? Anyway, moving on. So this buy side liquidity is not filled yet. It just wicked into it and completely got retraced back because there are a lot of buys here. That makes sense, and all those buys made this wick. Now we have to retest this and see if the buys are still there. Is there more buys or not more buys? Okay, we lose this, we're gonna come around here. I don't think we're gonna go lower than I'm talking about a longer time frame. I don't think we're gonna go lower than 32K, and 32K is a long shot. We will test this 32K, but I don't think today or tomorrow. Okay, like I said, this week would be a consolidation, and it is a consolidation all the way. This is all a consolidation. Okay, it's just that the range has been wider a little bit. Okay, from this boring consolidation, we went up, we went down, and then we wider the range of the consolidation. So if it wants to end the consolidation, maybe a wick to the upside, as we talked about. If it doesn't want to end the consolidation, it could just, continue here until we see that wick to the upside. Now on the other chart, which is this chart, which is a trend line chart, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we do have other stuff here to talk about. Yes, my long is in $1,000 in profit. This is a paper account, guys. Okay, it's not a real account. All right, don't be excited. Anyhow, we as we could see this orange line. All right, let me make it 4 so you guys see it. Okay, this is a big rejection. All right, we broke it here. So either retest it as a support, continue up, or just wake up and come back. Okay, so one of these. The rest of this really is not that important. We might only want to see this line which was a resistance and now has become a support. That's worth mentioning. Other than that, the rest of it is all a lower time frame. We really don't want to talk about lower time frame, as high time frame we are aiming for this top here. We could come back, like I said, everything could retrace back from here, and this could be the last liquidity grab to near 38,000, but didn't actually reach to 38,000. Or this could be these were like sell liquidities. They built some sell liquidity here to then push it up all the way to high 38k, which makes sense. So if you really wanted to clear the low 38k, we're definitely gonna see a high 38k, because when all these sells around here get stopped out, what they're gonna trigger, guys, you guys should know if you guys watching my videos, they should be triggering buys. Okay, so buys been triggered, we're going higher, and that would be not only a liquidity grab, but a stop loss hunt as well. So both of them at the same time, and then we come back down. That's what I really think is about to happen. Let's take a look at SPX and Dixie. So Dixie yesterday dumped, all right, and then started to consolidate at the somewhere low. Okay, somewhere very low. See all these dump that happens. So it broke this, but then it dumped again, dumped back, and then hold it here. SPX. Yeah, SPX, like I said, is trying to fill this gap, guys. Almost did. I think it almost did with the wick. I don't know if I want to call it filled or not, because here's the problem. What happened? Here's the problem, guys. So let me just first mark where did we wick, and then we talk about it, okay? So we wicked here. This is where we wicked on SPX. It's this candle. But the gap is from the candle, from this candle to here. Is this it? Are we done with the gap, or today? I mean, we're gonna take a look at it. Yeah. So ES1 is higher, right? ES1 is higher. It's 45.71. So what it could do today? It could start from higher and then completely clear both gaps and this gap, and then continue to go lower. So if we're about to see a 38k, and keep in mind that Bitcoin yesterday, look where it stopped. And this is Bitcoin, Chicago, Michigan exchange. Look where it stopped. 38,400, guys. Are you watching this? Are you watching this? But we didn't reach there here. We did not reach there here. So I think based on the CME, we're going to see at least a mid to high 38K. This is CME, guys. This is very important. All right. So I think based on this, Bitcoin needs to come. The bit not the Chicago Michigan exchange, but Bitcoin itself needs to come and clear. First of all, 304 and even higher. So we probably gonna see that 38,000 today coming, 38,800 and more coming. All right. And with that being said, guys, this was the cherry on top, guys. Bitcoin Chicago Michigan exchange showing that 38,400. With that being said, guys, this is it for the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Feel free to join my stream. Chill out there. We talk, we laugh, we scalp, and we provide liquidity for the market. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Stay safe, stay green. Until next time, bye bye.